Any doubts so far before we discuss on the next one? So you're asking after publishing how we want to make changes, right? So you go to the same action. Here you will get the option called Amend. So once you're, as I mentioned yesterday, when you click on Amend, it will ask for additional details, like whether it is an administrative changes or a full amendment changes or auto-register changes. That we're going to see. After we publish the contract, we will also try to amend it. I'm sorry. So the Document tab, you will be having Contract Documents, Signed Contract Documents. This is coming from your template. Whatever the template which we have used, Action Edit Overview, the template name which we're having, CW Template, July 2023. So in this template, if the user has mentioned some folders, then that folders or the documents will appear in all the contract workspaces created from that template. So this will change from template to template. If you want to include certain documents, you can include those documents as part of your document template. Whatever mentioned from your template level that cannot be deleted by the user, that has to be retained. Go to the task. So these are all the tasks which we need to complete. We'll just verify the team's legal team. There is the members hosting manager. These things have been come from again your template only. You can configure these things, document and the teams and tasks from your template level. Let's try to make some complete on the task. Then we'll go to the documents. Prepare contract terms. Okay. So anyway, it is not associated to any of the documents. Then we can able to close the task easily. You can see the task type on the top left-hand side. This is a to-do task. To-do task means giving an instruction to the user to perform some activity. I said, okay, I have prepared my contract. Closing it. Prepare main agreement. The main agreement they have prepared here, main agreement template, which is the main agreement template which is in draft status. So you can use this one. View details. If you remember, yesterday I was saying that you can view your template directly on your Ariba. You can see that master agreement, contract agreement, class 1, class 2, class 3, everything is available directly on your agreement. You can also view the same agreement on your Microsoft Word by clicking on the left-hand side this W icon. Our main agreement template and agreement will be downloaded. So I will open that main agreement template. You can see, this is what they have created, a template. I want to make changes. Directly. I can make a changes here or I can directly do in Ariba. Both the way same only. For time being, let's keep this as a. Where is this? Okay, I am going to make this section a substituting. Okay, so these are the clauses. I am going to see an outline view clauses. The first one. I want to make this as a section title. Contract, main agreement for client. Promote to section. Now you can see this has been moved as A, and here I'm going to substitute. Substitute means I want to change this clause to something else. So when I clicked on this, then it is taking me to a clause library where available contracts are there. I'll just select one of the clause. I will say this is for testing purpose. I'm using test clauses for testing purpose. Click on OK. So I have replaced the clause with a clause from clause library. Then it will also tell where this clause has come, and are there any alternative clauses available? So alternative, simply in a folder. If you're keeping multiple clauses, the system will suggest you can also use any other clauses also. I made my clauses. I go to Overview. OK, it will also give you details about what is the time when it is created and other thing. If, multiple times, you have created a version, that is also good. This came as part of the template. I'm making a change. So this will be V1 editing. All the changes are trackable. Ariba Advantage will be trackable. Now I prepared my main agreement. I'll go to the task and I say, complete my task also. OK, mark complete. Completed. Review main agreement. So this is a review task. You can see on the top side. The review task is nothing, but you can send your document, main agreement document, to a reviewer and make any changes if you want. So reviewer flow, let's see. Legal team will be reviewing. So this will be a problem for us. Unless if buyer 7 is there, we're not able to complete this task. OK, so let's see. Legal team. I will also add my name into the report. Add serial approver. Buyer 7. I will give it tool tip. Buyer 7 to review. Click OK. Exit. OK. So during completion of the task, it gives me an option. Suppose I want to add a device. I made some changes to the review. Reviewer made some changes. It will give you an option for him to attach the review template, or it will give you the old one. So if there is no changes as required, then he can complete his review task also. OK, this is pending. So we'll not be able to complete the task. Let's see mark complete. Anyway, so now the next task will be prepare pricing summary. Execute the task. Mark complete. So this pricing summary also. The document is not edited. You can see this. Why we are not able to do? I will explain. Pricing sheet. So we have not touched that pricing sheet, which is not edited state. I am going to make some changes to here. View details. Basically, since you are directly creating a contract, you are going to enter the pricing information in the pricing sheet by going to the pricing sheet. So I just clicked on a publish so that the same pricing sheet I'm going to use the system will not verify. So I did that activity. Now I can able to close this pricing sheet. Mark complete.